Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the lesson squares and square roots. Now coming to the worksheet 4, question number 1. Find the square root of the following numbers by long division method. So long division से अलग अलग जो भी sums है हम करेंगे. So first is 9801. छोटा number है ना. So 9801. You have to put this line, isn't it? याद है examples. So from right side we have to group it into pairs. ऐसे line डालो. अभी आया first जो pair है that is the number 98. So 98 किसके बीच में आया? 9 9s are 81 and 10 10s are 100. So how much we have to put? 9. So 10 तक आपको बाहट है तो ये इजी है, स्टार्टिंग का है ना. तो स्टार्ट आप लोगों को एग्जाम्पल में मैं दिखाई कैसे करने का है. अभी थोड़ा डायरेक्टली करो. स्टार्टिंग स्टेप यू कैन डू. 9 9s are 81. Now subtract. 8 minus 1 is 7. Now 9 minus 8 is 1. Now next step is what? Bring 0 1 down. The full next pair has to be brought. And now next step, ये left में जो भी digit था उसको add करो. Repeat. 9 plus 9 is 18. You are adding. Remember. 9 plus 9 is 18. Now 1 8 2 digits, here 4 digits. So 1 how much are 17? 1 10s are 10. So you can put only 9 up to 9, isn't it? So 1 8 as it is and put 9. 9 you multiply by 9. 9 9s are 81. 9 8s are 72 plus 8 is 80. 9 1s are 9, 10 and 17. So you got 1701. So yes, you can put 9. So when you multiply 189 by 9, you got 1701. नहीं तो फिर से मल्टीप्लाई करके देखो. 9 9s are 81, 9 8s are 72, 80, 9 1s are 9, 10, 17. So answer square root of 9801 is 99. Is it okay? Hope you have understood. Now coming to the next sum. Square root of 6561. लाइन डालो और ऐसे ग्रुपिंग करो. राइट साइड से पेयर्स ग्रुपिंग करने का है. नाउ 65 means what? It is a 8 8s are 64 and 9 9s are 81. So you have to put 8. 8 8s are 64. Now 5 minus 1, 4, 1, 0. So bring 61 down. Okay. Now add this 8. Okay. 8 plus 8 कितना आया? 16. अभी इधर 1 6 है, इधर 1 6 1. So you have to put 1. है ना. 1 1s are 1, 1 6s are 6, 1 1s are 1. So simple. So the answer is square root of 6261 is equal to 81. Is it clear? So first two sums were comparatively easy, isn't it? Now coming to the third one, बड़ा number है. चलो, how to write? 3, 9, 0, 6, 2, 5, and then put long lines. Now group it from right side. 25, 0, 6, 39. Now we have to ask 39. है ना, 39 को पूछो. 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36, 7 7s are 49. So we have to put 6. So 6 6s are 36. Okay. Now 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now bring this 0 6 down. Now add this, the same digit, 6. 6 plus 6, how much you got? 6 plus 6, 12, isn't it? 6 plus 6, 12. Now here 2 digits, here only 3 digits. So you will be asking 1 digit and 1 digit. Okay. So now it is 1, 2. Now 1 how much is 3? 3. It won't be, but we'll try. So by experience then you will understand. उतना बड़ा number directly नहीं डाल सकते हैं. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So it is big. So you can't put this. Next 1 2. You try with 2. एक digit छोटा. So multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. डाल सकते हैं? Yes. So we'll be putting here 2 and here also 2. Now how much you got? 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. अभी subtract करो. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now here 0 minus 4 means 10 minus 4 is 6. Now bring this 2 5 down. Okay. Now add 2. Right side का digit 2. Now 2 plus 2, 4. Now here 2 and 1 as it is. अभी इधर थोड़ा जगह छोड़ने का, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट डिजिट डालने का है ना. अभी देखेंगे इधर कितना है. 1 2 3 digits, here 4 digits. So we'll be asking 1 digit, 1 digit. 1 and 6. 1 how much are 6? 1 6 are 6. This won't be. Now you know this is 5. So we have to put 5. The answer will be 5. But still we'll see. Okay, 6 or 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 4s are 24, 25, 26, 27. 6 2s are 12, 13, 14. 6 1s are 6, 7. बड़ा आया. So ये तो नहीं हो सकता है. So 1 2 4 5. Try with the smaller number. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20, 22. 5 2s are 10, 12. 5 1s are 5, 6. Same? Yes. So we are putting 5. Here also 5. So you got 1 2 4 5 into 5. How much? 6 2 2 5. So the answer is square root of 390625 is equal to 625. Okay. We'll go to the fourth sum. It is 108241 From right side, 41, 82, 10. Okay, now 10. 1 square 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. So it will be 3. 3 3s are 9. Now 10 minus 9 is 1. Bring 82 down. Now next step, add this. Now 3 plus 3. Please don't multiply. Okay, 3 3s the 9. 9 3 plus 3 6. Now here 1 digit, here 3 digits. So ask 6 how much are 18? 6 3s are 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18. Can you put? No. So try with 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. So this you can't put, this we can put. So it is 2. Digit 2 has to be put. 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. Now 2 minus 4 means 12 minus 4 is 8. Now here it is 7 minus 2 is 5. So bring this 41 down. Next step, add this digit. याद रखो सिर्फ राइट साइड का एक डिजिट को ही ऐड करने का है. 2 plus 2, 4 and here it is 6. Now 2 digits and 4 digits. 6 how much are 58? 6 9s are 54. So 6 4 9 into 9. 9 9s are 81. 9 4s are 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 44. 9 6 are 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Yes. So we have to put the digit 9. So you got 5, 8, 4, 1. Subtract करेंगे तो 0 आया. They are perfect squares. That is why you are getting this. So आगे कोई sums है, the next worksheet and all. So they are not perfect squares. That time you will have the problem. So now please understand the steps. So square root of 108241 is 329. Okay. So that was question number 4. Now coming to question number 5. Question number 5. It is 363609. Okay, we'll write 363609. Now group it into pairs from right side 0, 9, 36, 36. So first ask this 36. 6 6 are 36. So when you subtract you got 0. Next bring this 36 down. याद रखो the group, that pair has to come down. 2 digits नीचे आएंगे. And now add 6. 6 plus 6 12. अभी इधर 12 है और इधर सिर्फ 36 है ना. तो आप लोग इधर आप लोग कितना डालोगे तो 36 आएगा. अगर 1 डालोगे तो भी it is 121. You can't put, so put 0. So you have to be careful in these steps. So 12 and 36. So here we can't put even 1. So we have to put only 0. So 0 into 120 is 0. Now 36 as it is remains. Now bring this 0, 9 down. Okay. Now you have to add 0. राइट साइड में सिर्फ 0 है, सो अभी आया 1 2 0 as it is. Now 3 and 4. So you have to ask first digit. 1 and 3. 1, how much are 3? 1 3s are 3. So 1 2 0 as it is. Now you put the which digit you can put, that is 3, and multiply by the same digit. 3 3s are 9, 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. You got? Yes. So you can put 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 0s are 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Subtract करेंगे तो 0. So the answer is square root of 36, 09 is 603. Okay. Now coming to the sixth sum. 1 2 0 4 0 9. 1 2 0 4 0 9. From right side grouping, so 0 9 0 4 12. Now ask 12. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. So you can put only 3. It is 3 3s are 9. 12 minus 9, how much it is? 3. Now bring this 0 4 down. समझ में आ गए? अभी मिला हमें 304, लेकिन अभी लेफ्ट में क्या है काम? Add 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Now here 1 digit, here 3 digits. So you'll be asking first digit and first 2 digits. 6 how much are 30? So 6 लिखो. अभी कौन सा डिजिट हम डाल सकते हैं? सोचो. 6 5s are 30, है ना? ट्राई. 5 5s are, क्योंकि बहुत छोटा भी नहीं होने का, इसके लिए हर एक स्टेप हमें देखने का है. 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 31 32. सो 325 आया, नहीं डाल सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट 6 के बाजू में कितना डालने का? 5 नहीं है तो 4. सो ट्राई विद 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 6 are 24, plus 1 25. So it is smaller, so you can put. So you are putting which digit? 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 6 are 24, 25. Next, subtract. Now 4 minus 6 means 14 minus 6. 4 5 6. 8 is remaining. Now here 9 is there, isn't it? 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay. Now 2 minus 2 is 0. So now bring this 0 9 down. Now this is 4. So add 4. 4 plus 4 is 8 and this 6 as it is. Now 2 digits, here 4 digits. So first digit and first 2 digits. 6 how much are 48? So write 68 as it is first. Then 6 how much are 48? 6 8s. Try. But you know ending is 9. So you have to put 7 there. But try. 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64 plus 6, 70. 8 6s are 48, 49, 50, 55. It will be bigger. No. Now try with 7. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56 and 60. 7 6 are 42, 48. Yes. So we have to put which digit? 7. So it will be 687 into 7 is 4809. मैं इधर आप लोगों को रफ वर्क भी करके दिखा रही हूँ कैसे वो नंबर आता है, तो इसके लिए सब लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है ऐसे मैं कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ, ठीक है। ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू द 7th sum. It is 1471369. 1471369 from right side. So only 1 is there. So you will be putting 1, 1s are 1, 0. First grouping is very important. Take care. Now bring this 47 down. Now next step is add 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now 2, how much are 4? 2 2s are, try. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Can it be? Yes. So we have to put the digit 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now bring 13 down. थोड़ा क्लियर कट लिखो, थोड़ा दूर दूर में, ठीक है। Now add 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 as it is. Now 2 1s you can put. 2 डालेंगे तो बड़ा हो जाता है, तो 1s it will be 2 4 1. Now it is 3 minus 1 2. 11 minus 4 is 7. Now 2 minus 2 0. Now bring this 69 down. Now add 1. 1 plus 1 2. 4 as it is, 2 as it is. Now 2 4 2. 2 how much are 7? 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. 3 2s are 6 7. Yes. So we have to put 3. So you got 2 4 2 3 into 3 7 2 6 9. Is simple. So answer is square root of 1471369 is equal to 1213. Hope everyone is confident. Now coming to the last sum of this set, 57121. Right side 21 71 5. Now 5. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. So 2 2s are 4. 1 remains. Bring 71 down. Plus 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4 how much are 17? 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 17. 176 आया? No. 3 डालो. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. Yes. So we will put 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 11 minus 9 is 2. Now here it is 6 minus 2 4. 1 minus 1 0. Bring 21 down. Now add 3. राइट साइड में डिजिट 3, सिर्फ उसी को ऐड करने का. 3 plus 3 6 and 4 as it is. Now 4 6 पहले लिखे ले लो. 4 how much are 42? 9s are 2 digit here, 4 digits. So 1 and 2 digits. Okay, 4 10s are 40. So we'll try with 9. 9 nines are 81. 9 six are 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. 9 fours are 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Yes. So it will be 9. 469 into 9 is 4221. Subtract करोगे तो 0. So answer is square root of 57121 is equal to 239. Is it clear? So we have completed the worksheet. It is worksheet number 4, isn't it? Worksheet number 4. First question, all the sums, square root, find the square root by long division method. So be confident of this method because this is the method what you are going to use in each and every sum. Okay? So please be confident, take care in each and every step, take care. And already we have discussed how to put the digit, which digit has to be put, everything I have taught you. Please practice these sums 2 or 3 times. Okay? Okay then, bye. Thank you.